Okay, we have Mr. Paril from Embassy of Malaysia in Nepal. He is also participated in this program, and I would like him to ask a few questions regarding this today's program. Welcome, Mr. Paril.
Thank you.
What type of a role does this type of program play to develop person-to-person relationship between the people from Malaysia and Nepal?
One thing is in terms of the exposure. When they come here, they can see how is Nepal, what is Nepal, and the students can, most importantly, communicate with the local residents so that they have the exposure and they know Nepal better. So that one is important to contribute in terms of the stronger relations between Nepal and Malaysia.
Yes. This program, today's program, many guests also focused on the exchanging program, student exchanging program between Malaysia and Nepal. And what role will be yours? It means what will you play a role to make those programs successful?
We facilitate, and we also would love to see that the programs is successful, and we will render our assistance in terms of ensuring that the program will be successful.
So, Mr. Paril, you are highly positive in that manner, and we can hope that in the coming days, Nepal will be cooperating with the Malaysian medical team.
Yes, definitely. That is the spirit. We want to see that. So from medical, we can also elevate to other sectors.
Oh, that's nice. As we all know that Nepal and Malaysia are very close in many aspects. And regarding the labor market, also Malaysia is very big market for Nepalese. And we hope in coming days, Nepal and Malaysia will develop more better cooperation in all aspects, along with the medical sector.
Yeah. You pointed out on the labor. Yes, labor is the number one now. But we have to run away from labor, because in Malaysia we can assist in many sectors to Nepal, in Nepal's development. So we hope that both sides in Malaysia and also in Nepal will recognize this and start cooperating, and we will see a better relations between Nepal and Malaysia.
Okay, thank you for your participation. Mr. Paril, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much.